the MIUKAA Clear Acrylic Spice Drawer. Organizer is a simple and effective way to keep your kitchen spices neatly organized and easy to find. Designed with a clear acrylic construction, it provides a clean and modern look while allowing you to quickly identify your seasonings. This organizer features a 4-tier design that helps maximize drawer space and keeps spice bottles arranged in an orderly manner. The expandable design can adjust from 13 inches to 26 inches, making it suitable for different drawer sizes and kitchen layouts. Whether you have a small collection of spices or a large variety of seasonings, this organizer helps reduce clutter and makes meal preparation more efficient. The raised tiers allow labels to remain visible so you can easily find the spice you need while cooking. If you're looking for a practical kitchen organization solution, the MIUKAA Clear Acrylic Spice Drawer Organizer can help create a cleaner and more organized cooking space.
The Hamilton Beach Smooth Touch Electric Automatic Can Opener is designed to make opening cans easier, safer, and more convenient. With its easy push-down lever, you can open cans with minimal effort, making it a great addition to any kitchen. One of its standout features is the smooth cutting technology that helps eliminate sharp edges, providing a safer experience compared to traditional can openers. It is designed to open both standard-size cans and pop-top cans, giving you added versatility for everyday use. The extra-tall design allows it to accommodate a wide range of can sizes, including taller cans that may not fit in smaller openers. Its sleek black and chrome finish also adds a modern look to your kitchen countertop. If you're looking for a simple and reliable way to open cans while reducing the risk of sharp edges, the Hamilton Beach Smooth Touch Electric Automatic Can Opener is definitely worth considering. The Zulay Kitchen Powerful Milk Frother Wand is a simple and convenient tool for creating rich, creamy foam at home. Whether you enjoy coffee, lattes, cappuccinos, or matcha, this handheld drink mixer helps elevate your favorite beverages in seconds. Powered by the Z1 motor, this electric whisk is designed to create smooth and consistent foam quickly, making it easy to achieve cafe-style drinks without leaving your kitchen. Its lightweight, handheld design provides comfortable operation and easy storage. The frother comes with Duracell batteries included, so it's ready to use right out of the box. Simply place the whisk into your drink, press the button, and watch as it transforms milk into a smooth, frothy texture. Perfect for coffee lovers and anyone who enjoys specialty drinks, this versatile frother can be used for a variety of hot and cold beverages. Best of all, it typically costs under $20, making it an affordable addition to your daily coffee routine. The Kitsure Large Dish Drying Rack is a practical kitchen organizer designed to help keep your countertop neat and organized. With its extendable design, it provides extra space when needed, making it suitable for different kitchen sizes and daily dishwashing needs. This multifunctional dish rack can hold plates, bowls, cups, utensils, and other kitchen items in one convenient place. It also includes dedicated cutlery and cup holders, helping keep everything organized while drying. The anti-rust construction is designed for long-lasting durability, making it suitable for everyday use. Its efficient layout helps maximize drying space while keeping dishes securely in place. Whether you're washing a few dishes or cleaning up after a large family meal, this dish drying rack helps simplify kitchen cleanup and organization. If you're looking for a convenient way to dry and organize dishes while saving counter space, the Kitsure Large Dish Drying Rack is definitely worth considering. The 0.5 second instant read digital meat thermometer is a handy kitchen gadget designed to help you cook with confidence and accuracy. Whether you're grilling, baking, roasting, or preparing barbecue, this thermometer provides fast temperature readings in as little as 0.5 seconds. With an accuracy of plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit, it helps ensure your food reaches the desired temperature for better cooking results. It's suitable for a variety of uses, including meat, poultry, grilling, candy making, and other kitchen tasks. The easy-to-read digital display allows you to quickly check temperatures without guesswork, helping prevent overcooking or undercooking. Its compact design makes it easy to store and convenient to use whenever needed. Whether you're cooking indoors or outdoors, This instant read thermometer is a practical tool for achieving more consistent results in the kitchen and at the grill. The YASONIC 3-tier rolling cart is a versatile storage solution designed to help keep your space organized and clutter-free. Whether you use it in the kitchen, office, bedroom, craft room, or laundry area, this cart provides convenient storage for everyday essentials. Featuring a 3-tier design, it offers multiple levels of storage while maximizing vertical space. The durable metal construction and mesh baskets help keep items secure and easily accessible. This utility cart also includes hanging cups and hooks, providing additional space for organizing tools, accessories, and frequently used items. The smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move from one room to another whenever needed. Its multifunctional design makes it suitable for storing kitchen supplies, office materials, craft items, beauty products, and more. Whether you're looking to improve organization or create extra storage space, this rolling cart offers a practical and flexible solution for a variety of needs. The Microfiber Spray Mop for floors cleaning is a convenient cleaning tool designed to make floor care faster and easier. Suitable for both wet and dry cleaning, it can be used on hardwood floors, tile, laminate, and other hard surfaces throughout your home. This flat mop features a built-in sprayer that allows you to apply cleaning solution directly while mopping, helping you clean efficiently without the need for a separate bucket. The lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and into hard-to-reach areas. It also includes 3 washable and reusable microfiber pads, providing a more sustainable and cost-effective cleaning solution. The microfiber material helps capture dust, dirt, and debris while leaving floors looking clean and refreshed. Whether you're handling everyday messes or routine floor maintenance, this spray mop offers a practical way to keep your home clean with less effort and greater convenience. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in any of these products, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful home and kitchen finds.